According to immigration attorney Wayne Golding, Jamaicans hoping to migrate to the US with their families are facing some serious challenges, especially after a recent court ruling that could change the game for many. A judge appointed by former President Trump rejected a proposal by the Biden administration to offer a pathway to citizenship for people who've been living in the US for years. This ruling affects over 500,000 people who were set to benefit from this initiative, leaving many feeling uncertain about their future. Golding also pointed out that the chain migration policy, which has long allowed Jamaicans and other migrants to bring their spouse and children under 21 to the US, is under threat. This policy has been a lifeline for many, but with Trump's influence still strong, there's fear it could be limited or completely dismantled. Golding warned that this is just the beginning of a tougher stance on immigration and that future decisions could be influenced more by politics than fairness. But here's the thing. This isn't just about policy changes or court rulings. It's also about how some Jamaicans, even those living abroad, view others trying to make it. It's a tough reality, but many Jamaicans overseas are not always welcoming of other Jamaicans trying to succeed. In fact, some of them even root for Trump's strict policies because they believe it will limit new arrivals. It's what's often called the crab in a barrel mentality, a feeling where people don't always want to see others elevate or get ahead, especially when it feels like there's limited space for success. On platforms like YouTube, this mindset can be even more pronounced since everyone is competing for visibility and success in a public space.